Imagine a morning when the roads are crowded, but the vehicles are driverless. The offices are lit, but the sound of fingers on keyboards is missing. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. It could be the frightening reality of the year 2030. History bears witness that it took 46 years for electricity to reach every home, but ChatGPT transformed the world's perception in just 5 days. We stand at a juncture where the pace of change is beyond our control. In the next few years, 300 million jobs worldwide could be consigned to history. This is the career world's meteorite, coming to wipe out old professions like dinosaurs. The danger is first visible on the roads we travel every day. If your job involves driving any kind of machine or vehicle, time is slipping away. Those big trucks speeding down the highway, they no longer sleep. They no longer feel tired. From Texas to Arizona, autonomous trucks are traveling thousands of miles without a human. A truck driver needs rest, but an algorithm can stay awake 24 hours a day. Soon, getting into a car will be like getting into an elevator. Just press a button and you're on your way. But what will happen to the millions of drivers whose lives depend on these wheels? Will a 50-year-old taxi driver be able to adapt to this new world overnight? The suspense isn't limited to the roads. It's reached your air-conditioned cabin. We thought machines would only take over physically demanding jobs, but AI is now after white-collar jobs. Junior lawyers, accountants, and research analysts. Work that once took thousands of people weeks is now being done in a blink of an eye. From reviewing legal documents to filing taxes, AI is proving to be better, cheaper, and faster than humans. The world's largest law firms are now relying on AI to process thousands of pages of research. The harsh truth is that AI doesn't care about your hard work or your degree. It cares only about one thing: patterns. And if your work follows a set pattern, a machine can recognize it better than you. Think about it. When was the last time you visited a travel agent? Or when was the last time you smiled at a bank teller? These professions are gradually becoming silent. Machines are replacing cashiers in supermarket queues. Stores like Amazon Go no longer have humans. You just grab your stuff and walk out. Your phone's sensors automatically know what you've purchased. Even when you lodge a complaint with customer care, 80% of the time, the voice isn't human. AI chats now tirelessly handle your anger, your complaints, and your needs. They don't call in sick, they don't ask for vacations, and they never bring personal drama to the office. This wave has now reached the doors of creativity as well. Graphics designers, copywriters, and even movie stars are no longer safe. In major Hollywood films, digital versions of actors are now replacing them. Writing advertisements no longer requires deep thought. Just a prompt is enough. AI is now writing poems, creating paintings, and composing music. Things we once considered part of the human soul are now being replicated through coding. So are we all about to become redundant? No. History is repeating itself. When electricity came, candle makers thought the world was over. But that same electricity created millions of new jobs. The only difference is that this time, we don't have decades. The pace of change is dizzying. Those who don't understand this technology today could become tomorrow's slaves. The future belongs to those who don't fight machines, but instead make them their tools. We must preserve our humanity, the empathy, the emotions, and the creativity that no algorithm can learn. Time is running fast. 2030 is not a distant dream, but a reality at the doorstep. Remember, in this new world, the strongest or the smartest will not survive. Only those who can adapt the fastest will survive. The choice is yours. Either change with the times or become a relic of history, because these machines will not stop. Are you ready?